Hello, dear learners. Welcome to Amuse. Happy to see you here, guys. And I believe that you are making good practice of your card and also improving your English uh, with the practice that we are making using hints. I am Amrita Shan, and making things easy and interesting for you people is a passion with me. Let's get started for today and see which topic we are going to discuss and which topic we are going to practice using hints. Describe something you had, uh, describe something you bought uh, that was difficult to use at first. एक चीज के बारे में बताएं जो आपने खरीदी और जिसे शुरू में यूज करना बहुत कठिन था. What it was when you bought it, what does it do, explain how difficult was it to be used. वो क्या चीज थी, क्यों, कब खरीदी आपने, उस चीज से क्या होता है और वो कितना डिफिकल्ट था उसको यूज करना. So these are the four cues and a question topic. We are going to start with our introduction. So let's see which hints we are having for it. इजी गोइंग, लेट इट गो, नॉट स्केयर्ड. सबसे पहले हम अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि जो हम है कि वो हम इजी गोइंग टाइप पर्सन है. लेट इट गो, चलो चलने दो काम, उस टाइप का एटीट्यूड रखते हैं. नॉट गेट स्केयर्ड, जनरली मैं किसी चीज से डरता नहीं हूँ. टेक्निकल गैजेट्स को मैं जल्दी लर्न कर लेता हूँ और क्योंकि मैं टेक्निकल सेवी हूँ, टेक्निकल नॉलेज है. नो हैसल्स, मुझे कोई परेशानी नहीं होती है इन टेक्निकल चीज़ों को सीखने में. वेरी स्मार्ट लर्निंग न्यू एप्लीकेशन, इवन कि न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशंस लर्न करने में भी मैं बहुत स्मार्ट हूँ. टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, पर आज मैं उस बारे एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ जो कि बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. फियर समथिंग मे नॉट गो रॉन्ग, और उसे यूज करते हुए मुझे डर था कहीं कुछ गलत ना हो जाए क्योंकि वो एक मेडिकल डिवाइस थी. सो लेट्स सी दैट हाउ वी कैन से द थिंग्स इन इंग्लिश. सो इसके ऊपर आप सबसे पहले तो ऐसा बोलना शुरू कर सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल दैट आई एम easy going type of person. I generally wear an attitude like let it go because I'm not scared of I generally do not get scared of making use of any technical gadget. I learn the things quickly as I am very technical savvy person, and there remains no hassles for me. Even learning new applications, I believe I am very smart, technical sort of person. But today I am going to talk about something that was really very complicated and complex for me to use. Even I had a fear in my mind that something might not go wrong because it was a medical device, it was medical equipment. This is done. You can pause the video here. You can look at the hints again and practice it for yourself. What it was? The hints say talking about insulin injector injection. मेडिकल डिवाइस है, इंसुलिन इंजेक्टर के बारे में बात हो रही है. डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स यूज करते हैं. पेन लाइक डिवाइस है, डिस्पोजेबल नीडल रहता है इसका, एक डोज कंटेनर रहता है और इंसुलिन इंजेक्ट करने के लिए इसको यूज किया जाता है. ओल्ड आंट वॉज यूजिंग इट, मेरी कोई जो बूढ़ी आंटी है, ओल्ड आंटी है, वो इसे यूज कर रही थी. Dear learners, I have also fixed a picture here so that the things become more clear to you. तो इसके ऊपर अब हम बोल के देखते हैं कि what it was. Well, I'm talking about an insulin injector. It is also called insulin injection. It is a medical device and that is used by diabetic patients. The patient who suffer from the problem of sugar generally have to inject insulin in their body, and this is a small device that they use it for the purpose. It is a pen-like device. It comes with the disposable needles or nozzles. There also remain small dose container where insulin is filled and later it is injected in the body of the patient. My aunt was using it, so I came to know about it. This is done with this cue. You can pause the video here and practice it for yourself. When you got it, कब खरीदा आपने इसे? 2 months back, aunt visited us, forgot her medical kit, local medical store, easily available product, disposable noodles, needles or nozzles. So well, listen, I think that hints are giving you the complete clear picture कि क्या बोलना है आपने. आप बोलेंगे कि well, it was only 2 months back when I bought it. It happened that my aunt visited us and she stayed with us for a couple of days, but unfortunately she had forgotten her medical kit at home. She was not carrying her medical kit and she was in the routine of taking insulin. She was not having that insulin injector with us. So she asked me, I went to the local market, to the medical store, and when I inquired about the insulin injector, it was available over there. So this product is easily available in the market because many sugar patients use it. It comes with disposable nozzles, and I bought this injection for my aunt. Pause the video here, look at the hints and practice it for yourself. What does it do? ये डिवाइस जो है वो क्या करती है? तो आप बताएंगे कि कंट्रोल शुगर लेवल इन ब्लड, इंडिस्पेंसेबल डिवाइस फॉर शुगर पेशेंट्स. शुगर पेशेंट्स के लिए एक बहुत ही असेंशियल अनिवार्य तरह की एक ये डिवाइस है. लोड द पेन बाय फिलिंग द इंसुलिन एडेप्टर विद इंसुलिन. इसके एडेप्टर में इंसुलिन फिल किया जाता है. डोज प्रिस्क्राइब बाय द डॉक्टर, और उतनी डोज फिल की जाती है जितनी डॉक्टर ने प्रिस्क्राइब किया हो. फिक्स डिस्पोजेबल नोजल, फिर उसके बाद कंटेनर फिल करने के बाद वो नोजल फिक्स किया जाता है. प्लेस द डिवाइस अगेंस्ट द स्किन. फिर उस डिवाइस को स्किन के साथ प्लेस किया जाता है एन एरिया विद सम फैटी टिश्यू, और प्रेस द बटन. ऐसे एरिया के ऊपर उसको फिक्स किया जाता है जहां पे थोड़ा सा टिश्यू जो है वो थोड़ा सा थिक हो. बटन को प्रेस किया जाता है, इंसुलिन गोज इन एंड रीचेस द ब्लड स्ट्रीम. So what does it do? So we have come to know that what is the functioning of insulin injector, insulin injection. So these hints are also making half of the things easy for us, because the picture is clear what we are going to speak on. You will say that well, insulin injector is a medical device and it generally controls sugar level in the blood. It is an indispensable device for sugar patients. Actually, it happens that there remains a pen, and the pen is loaded with insulin, and insulin is generally filled in the adapter. After filling the prescribed dose of insulin in the adapter, the nozzle is fixed, and we know that this needle is disposable. Generally, the insulin that is filled in the adapter is a prescribed dose by the doctor. Whatever the doctors prescribe, the same amount of insulin is fixed in the container or in the adapter. And then after fixing the needle on it, the needle is placed against the skin of the patient, and one has to be very careful that the tissue should be fatty where we are injecting that injection. Injecting is very simple because we have to press simply the button and the insulin goes in and reaches the bloodstream. It is very simple to use this little device that is very essential for sugar patients, but uh, using it for the first time was very difficult for me because I had never seen it, I had never used it before. Pause the video here, look at the hints again, and practice it for yourself. Explain how difficult was it to be used. इसे यूज करना कितना डिफिकल्ट था. एवरीथिंग डिफिकल्ट फर्स्ट टाइम. हर कोई चीज डिफिकल्ट होती है जब हम उसे पहली बार यूज करते हैं. प्रिकिंग समवन विद नीडल नॉट इजी. किसी को नीडल से प्रिक करना बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं है. नॉट फ्रॉम मेडिकल स्ट्रीम. और फिर मैं मेडिकल स्ट्रीम से भी नहीं था. साइट ऑफ इंजेक्शन फ्राइटनिंग. इंजेक्शन देखकर ही मुझे डर लगता था. नो आइडिया हाउ टू फिक्स इट. मुझे उस इंजेक्शन को फिक्स करना भी नहीं आता था, उसे यूज करना भी नहीं आता था. नो वन कुड डू इट. नो वन कुड डू इट क्योंकि और कोई इसे यूज नहीं कर सकता था. आई लर्न. द डॉक्टर टॉट मी. आई ट्राइड. मैंने पूरा सब कुछ ट्राई किया. द होल प्रोसेस. और मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस हुआ. हैंड ट्रेम्बल फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं इंजेक्शन दे रहा था तो मेरे हाथ कांप रहे थे क्योंकि आंट का सैगी स्किन था, स्किनी बॉडी थी, उनकी बॉडी पे झुर्रियां थी और वो बहुत कमजोर थी. टफ टू फाइंड फैटी टिश्यू. इवन फैटी टिश्यू भी ढूंढ पाना उनकी बॉडी में डिफिकल्ट था. इंजेक्टेड इन स्टोमिक. तो मैंने उनके स्टोमिक में इंजेक्ट किया एंड पेशेंट को कोई पेन नहीं हुआ और वो बहुत हैप्पी फील किया उन्होंने और उन्होंने मुझे थैंक्स बोला. So explain how difficult was it to be used. We are having a complete story in the form of hints and ideas before us, and now it is our capability how we are going to make sentences with the help of these hints. So listen to me again, dear learners. You will say that everything is difficult when we try it for the first time. And most importantly, pricking someone with needle is definitely was very difficult. I am not from a medical stream. I had no idea how to use it. Even the sight of injection was quite frightening for me, and it was really not an easy job for me. Even I didn't know how to fix it and how to use it. But because my aunt was staying with us and there was no one who could do it for her, and it was important, it became necessary for me to learn the process. So I called my family doctor and he taught me the complete process. So when I tried the whole process, I learned it, but and I also got the confidence. But when I was injecting the injection for the first time, my hands were trembling, and I was not really feeling comfortable in giving injection to my aunt. My aunt had very skinny body and saggy skin. She is a weak lady physically, and finding fatty tissue in her body was difficult for me. Then doctor advised me to inject it in her stomach, and I injected the insulin in her stomach. My aunt did not feel any pain. She was happy and she thanked me. So after that, she stayed with us for a week or a little more, and every day I was giving her this insulin injection. I was comfortable in it, and today, when I remember my first attempt, I realize that yes, doing something for the first time is always difficult. So I think that our whole story ends here with the logic reason, and we have also given the complete process. So pause the video here, practice it for yourself, dear learners. and this is done. After that, make a complete practice for 2 minutes and check your fluency, your ideas. Make sure that you practice it well. And we have used some good words in this video. Write 2 good words that you have learned or you have liked the most. Many new words were there in the video, so you are going to write 2 new words or 2 words that you like the most in the comment box. And yes, it is done for today. Like, comment and share. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.